Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to change the size of slider arrows in the Divi Gallery module. Adjusting the arrow size can improve navigation, enhance visual consistency, and help your gallery better align with your site's design. We'll show you how to customize these arrows using plugins that make this process simple and intuitive. Let's get started. To adjust the size of the slider arrows in the Divi Gallery module, you can use the custom settings provided by the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugin. These plugins make it simple to tailor the arrow size to better match your site's design. Divi Gallery Booster is actually included in Divi Booster, but you can purchase it separately if needed. The process is straightforward and uses a clear visual setting within the Gallery module's design options. Let's walk through how to do it. To begin customizing your slider arrows, open your Gallery module's settings. Navigate to the Design tab, then expand the Layout section. Here, ensure that the layout is set to slider. This step is crucial as it makes the slider navigation arrows visible, allowing you to adjust their size. Once you're in the Layout section, locate the drop-down menu for the layout options. From this list, select Slider. Choosing the slider layout ensures that your gallery images are displayed in a slider format, and it activates the navigation arrows, making them available for customization. Next, scroll down to the Slider Arrows section within the Design tab. Expand this section and locate the setting labeled Slider Arrow Text Size. Here, you can adjust the size of the arrows by entering a value that suits your design. Something like 100 pixels, for example, will make the arrows noticeably larger. Take some time to experiment with different sizes until you find the one that best complements your site's style. Once you've adjusted the size of your slider arrows, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Divi Builder. After that, open your page in a browser to preview the results. You should now see your gallery slider with arrows displayed at the updated size, perfectly tailored to your design preferences. With just a few simple steps, you can customize the size of the slider arrows in your Divi Gallery using the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugin. This quick adjustment not only enhances your site's functionality, but also helps your galleries look more polished and seamlessly aligned with your website's overall style.